guys, we're out on the strip. Look at that. That's where we were. Because we're headed somewhere fun, eh, Whitney?
Yeah.
It's a secret surprise. Secret surprise. First, we gotta get through all the crazy. As you can see, we're going towards Planet Hollywood. Anyone know who's playing there tonight?
Not Miranda.
No, we're not seeing Miranda. We're about to see Kelly. That's right, guys. Surprise! 2 concerts in one visit. So we got last minute tickets to see Kelly. We're up here, but look at the nice view. This is not a bad way to see her. Cannot wait.
To me, and you can call whenever you need me. You cry that you taste for, that you taste for. Oh, I will come, no, I won't run. I'm not scared to care. Fix what we aren't, and what good's a lighthouse when the light is burning out.
It's a lighthouse, guys. A lighthouse.
Over me, questioning everything all the time.
Here it comes.
And I keep all the ways that you wanted me to be different, fresh in my mind. Leaving footprints all over town, keeping faith comes around. 'Cause I won't spend the rest of my life catching my breath, letting it go, turning my cheek for the sake of the show. Now that you know this is my life, I won't be told it's supposed to be right. Come on, catching my breath, letting it go, turning my cheek for the sake of the show. Now that you know this is my life, I won't be told it's supposed to be right. Come on. But catch my breath, no one can hold me back. I ain't got time for that. Catch my breath, won't let them get me down. It's all so simple now. I guess I needed that to be able to step back. I lived my life without me, I never allowed me to. Too much I've had to live for, put my life on hold for. I'm always pleasing someone, honestly now I'm done. I don't need somebody to hold me, don't need somebody to love me, don't need holding. Don't need to need somebody when I got me. I put together my broken, let go of the pain I've been holding. Don't need to need somebody. You feel the absence of my love every night. There's no one else. You are the reason I said goodbye. 'Cause I don't need somebody who scolds me. Don't need somebody that hurts me. Don't need somebody who feels weak. Standing next to me, I put together my broken, let go of the hand I've been holding. Don't need to need somebody. When I got me, when I got me. I'll spread my wings and I'll learn how to fly. Do what it takes till I touch the sky. And I'll make a wish, take a chance, make a change, and break away. Everybody, out of the darkness and into the sun. But I won't forget all the ones that I love. You gotta take a risk, take a chance, make a change. You smell good. And oh, your eyes are two different colors. Super hot. Oh, here we go. Da da da. That's the second verse. I wanna feel the warm breeze, sleep under palm trees, feel the rush of the ocean, far away, and break away. You want one? Yeah, yeah. I'll spread my wings and I'll learn how to fly. I'll do what it takes till I touch the sky. And I'll make a wish, take a chance, make hey, as you run your mouth, pump your chest, play cowboy in the wild, wild west. I don't mind, you know best. Keep on riding till you can't see us. I learned the hard way about love. Sometimes it just isn't enough. But sure, you can keep the towels all yours. Tell them all I'm crazy. What a nice cliche, blaming me. I guess some things never change. Finding out what went down as soon as I wasn't around. Broke my heart, but hey, I'll be okay. Hey, as you run your mouth on your chest, play cowboy in the wild, wild west. I don't mind, you know best. Keep on riding till you can't see us. Did you know there's only one truth? And in the end, you gotta live with what you do. I can feel it rising temperature inside me. I've been melted forever. This is my heartbeat song and I'm gonna play. Been so long I forgot how to turn it up all night long. Up all night long. This is my heartbeat song and I'm gonna play. Turned it on, but no, you can take it up all night long. Up all night long.
All right, guys, what will she end with? We don't even know. What do you think? Could be anything. Here we go.
Let's
You know the bed feels warmer, sleeping here alone. You know I dream in colors, and I do the things I want. Think you got the best of me, think you've had the last laugh, 'cause you think that everything good is gone. Think you left me broken down, think that I'd come crawling back. Baby, you don't know me 'cause you did. Now come on. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stand a little taller. Doesn't mean I'm lonely when I'm alone. What doesn't kill you makes a fighter. Footsteps even lighter. Doesn't mean I'm over 'cause you're gone. Come on. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger, stronger. Just me, myself, and I. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stand a little taller. Doesn't mean I'm lonely when I'm alone. Give it up for Kiddo Baby Time! Here's the thing, we started out friends. It was cool, but it was all pretend. Yeah, yeah, come on. You gave me that. We dedicated, we took the time. It wasn't long before I called you mine. Yeah, yeah, come on! And all you ever hear me say is how I picture me with you, yeah? Well, it's all you ever hear me say. Joe, since you've been gone.
Oh, good morning. We are awake. That's what you get for waking up in
Vegas. As you saw, we had a great last night.
Yes, we went and saw Miss Kelly
Clarkson,
live.
the idol winner herself.
You guys, her residency is only 10 shows, and we were lucky enough to see the 4th one.
Yeah.
If you get a chance, I'm not kidding, if you get a chance, please go see it. The tickets were not that expensive.
I think it was the third one. Because it's Friday, Saturday, and we saw it on Friday.
Yeah, I mean, tickets are
So she still has a few more weekends.
not expensive. It's a
Yeah.
great show. She was funny. She was personal. She was sweet. She was amazing.
What a vocalist.
As you saw, because I put all these little clips in.
And what I think is great is she does different songs each night.
Yes.
So, like, it's a surprise in what you're going to get.
And she told us that she told her band to learn 70 songs. And
That's a lot.
they only play so many. So they
Yeah.
have to know all of them, and whatever she decides, they're doing it.
Yeah.
So and she's like, I'm crazy, I know. And they're like, yes.
You are.
But her backup singers are amazing.
Yeah.
That one girl, Jessie, so good.
Yep.
So we hope you enjoyed our Kelly Clarkson random surprise.
Yeah, we had lots of fun.
Yes, and please follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Threads. Yeah, at Raindrops TN.
W.
And don't forget to hit subscribe for more fun on this Vegas vacation.
Yes, thanks so much for watching. Good night.
Sleep tight.
Bye.